Lumba, kita nak penyokong untuk Popeye dan juga Ringo. Alright, so for the supporters, for Popeye today, who think Popeye will be the winner? Raise your hands up. Siapa rasa Popeye menang? Alright, okay, good. And the next one, we have Ringo. Who think Ringo will be the winner? Okay, we have a lot of supporters for Ringo. Okay, so what you can do is, when the race starts, shout for your winner, alright? Okay, one. Ringo and Popeye, take your place.
Blue or yellow or
okay, now we start the race. Ready? Okay, good. On your mark, get set, and go! Come on, now! Ringo, Popeye! Ringo, Popeye! Come on, Ringo! Come on, Ringo!
அது yellow color பாரு மூணையுமே போட்டுருச்சு மூணை ஒரே எடுத்து போச்சு பாத்தீங்களா
Ringo is the winner for today. Ringo pemenang. So we ask our trainer, what is the problem with Popeye?
Ringo cheating.
Okay, looks like our trainer said Ringo was cheated. Okay. Who think Ringo was cheated? Raise your hands up. Siapa rasa Ringo menipu? Yeah, they view that. Alright, good. And the next question, who think Ringo was technically smart? Raise your hand up. Yeah, they were smart, right? Give your hand to Popeye here. Okay, thank you for trying for Popeye. And we see what is the next performance for Ringo. Okay, yeah, kita ada Popeye Grunto. Can Ringo play this scene? Pandai ke dia main Popeye Grunto? Ringo, almost there. Slide there, go, Ringo mana? Jadi, burung kakak tua pun pandai main Popeye Grunto. Alright, so that's for the blue and gold Macau. And for the next performance, we invite our green wing macaw, burung yang berwarna-warni. Let's invite